Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to fix black and white screen on iPhone. So first, what you want to do is open up your settings. Once you're there, just scroll down to accessibility, then scroll down to the see display and text size. Once you're there, just find the color filters option, tap on that to open it, and make sure that the color filters or the switch on the color filters is turned off so that it will go back to normal. And if you want to enable it, you can either pick other colors that you want, but if you just want the default or normal one, just disable the color filters. And that's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.